Alright, so we are getting, and by we I mean me packing for my husband, are getting ROC ready. This is going to be his luggage bag. This room, all these extra compartments, waterproof. And this one is going to be his backup bag that, you know, in case he needs it to ride, we're bringing both. Alright, still going. Right, filling up, we still got room. Alright, so we're pretty much all packed. And as you see, there's still some room. We have a million zippers to fill up. So far, this is the best bag. And just like that, every single thing. He'll be gone for 4 days and everything fit in there. There's a bunch of jeans, boxers, socks, shirts, a whole bathroom kit, and it's not even bulging out. Not even that heavy. So I'm gonna still put some more snacks. You can fit water bottles, so he's got this. This bag is gonna be used for, you know, his snack bag within the truck, as well as like a riding bag. It's way sleeker, as you can see. It's not really like a packer unless you're gonna spend a quick overnight or two. This is for heavy duty, lots of stuff. There's a windbreaker in there, so